that I'm gonna eat it. What's up, y'all? I'm Kahleiashour. Welcome back to my channel. And you guys just watched me and my dad prepare this breakfast. Y'all see I have cicadas sitting here on the corner of my platter because yes, there's cicadas in my meal today. I went ahead and threw a couple cicadas into my pancakes here. Yes, y'all. So I'm just ready to get started. I'm ready to eat. This is very rare of me to even be eating breakfast food because I don't like breakfast food. But yes, I put syrup on all of my food. Yum. I'm gonna set that right there. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So y'all, I eat bugs, okay? There's no ifs or buts about it. Kahleia eats it, bugs. So well, ever since I was a kid, I would just eat bugs. So I have cicadas, okay, in here. Here's a piece. I'm trying to show y'all. Like, there's no cap over this way. That is a butt of a cicada right there. And there's a head in there as well. Ooh, don't let the syrup fall. Y'all, cicadas aren't bad. They really aren't. So good. So, I'm hungry. You can't tell. So my dad helped me today prepare this meal. He likes to put vanilla and cinnamon in his pancakes. And y'all, orange juice. Of course, we're having breakfast. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, watch my last mukbang. I had apple juice. Apple juice is so nasty. It's not nasty, but I don't like it. So let's just build a little castle here. So y'all, these are really good. I'm not even lying. Next time you make some pancakes, throw some cicadas in there. Now, I captured a couple cicadas. I put them in a baggie. I put them in the freezer. I let them sit in the freezer for about a day or two. And then right before I put them into the pancakes, I just boiled them for like 2 to 3 minutes. It's so good. Like, everybody asks me what cicadas taste like. Nuts, honestly. It's like a nutty taste. I personally don't like the wings that be on cicadas, but as the body, I mean, shit, pop them in there, eat them. Go ahead and take the wings off. I want y'all to see that I'm gonna eat a real life cicada. So, if y'all not into the nutty taste, you're probably not gonna like them. But me, I don't care. Yeah, I be in all kind of bugs, so let's go through the list, okay? I eat worms, male worms, ants, daddy long legs, roly-poly-oly, cicadas. What else will I eat? I pretty much eat any kind of insect, honestly. That's no cap, y'all. I really do this. Like, I really do this. Ever since I was a kid. Don't leave me alone. Outside. Straight born in the 90s, okay? Y'all see my shirt? And my pants. Oh, I knocked my phone on the floor. Okay, I'm giving 90s vibe today, y'all. So Kamari was gonna do this mukbang with me, but she felt a little ill, so I said, baby girl, just don't worry about it. When I tell y'all, she was really in her feelings, because no, she wouldn't have ate no cicadas. She be acting scared of them, and then she don't act scared of them. Like, it's like, cause I'm not scared of them, she be trying not to be afraid of them as well. But I'm like, Kamari, if you scared of them, you scared of them. You ain't gotta fake it. Orange juice so good. Excuse me. So like I said, y'all, I really don't like breakfast food, but I really wanted to eat some cicadas with y'all, and I was going to make some fried cicadas with some powdered sugar on them, but I was like, nah, let's just do a whole meal and just make some breakfast. Ooh, excuse me. I got a whole wing right there on my eggs, and I do not like the wings of cicadas. I hate the wings. They just be getting stuck in your throat. But y'all, this is really tasty. I'm glad I decided to do some breakfast mukbang with y'all. Because, like, legit, I don't even think I have a breakfast mukbang on my channel. This is probably the first one. I do not like breakfast food. You know, it's only 3 items on here. We can keep the hash browns. Sausage and gravy and all that. Whew, I'm even full, y'all. These are so good. And when you put them in the pancakes, you can't really taste the cicada. Like, only when you get like a, I cut mine up into my pancakes, but of course if you put a whole cicada in there, you're gonna taste like the nutty taste immediately. And I don't really care for that too much, so that's why I like to cut it up and put them in there. But y'all, let me find one more piece with the cicada in there, because I'm getting full. Okay, here we go. He in there. I don't know if y'all can see. He in there. Let's see if I can find another piece. Here we go. Y'all see that black piece? If it wants to focus, dang. Anyways, you act like you don't want to focus. So annoying. But please try. You ain't gotta put the cicadas in there. Put the vanilla and cinnamon inside your pancake batter. I guarantee it tastes so much better. Y'all, I gotta go. I had to take my daughter karate. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. You guys can call me Kahleia, or aka the bug eater, cause okay. And if there's some other bugs y'all want to see me eat, y'all already know what to do. Drop it down below. Like, snacking on bugs is what people used to do back in the day. Like, just because we have like real snacks don't mean nothing. Let me show y'all. What's these? Barbecue flavored mealworms. Like, when I tell y'all I really do this, I don't find it gross by no means. I find it gross that people act like they can't eat stuff like this. So these are the mealworms. Oh, I'm dropping them. They're good to me. I kind of like, I like the flavor of my hot one a little better, but all right, y'all. So catch y'all on my next video. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.